Hi, this is Muscle, and this is Entertainment Report News. Veteran artist CHAKA DEMUS from CHAKA DEMUS and Pliers details a near-fatal incident he had yesterday in Jamaica.
Me's a man, me love Jamaica to my heart. So me I say, no place in the world me go, me tour the whole world. So me I say, and no way, me no love no way in the world like how me love Jamaica. So me I say, watch this. And enough look at that thing going on in Jamaica right now. Right now. Yesterday, me did one plaza in a Portmore. Drive me car, boom, when me look to see a taxi, block up the driveway. Me go so boom, pop, blow the horn. Car now, make no movements. Me go so beep beep. See a man come out of the car, out of the taxi, the driver himself come out. Ray. Naughty boy, come move the car and see we not fully up and back him. Now, you want to come move it and say we not fully up and... I want to let a little rasta pass and say, don't say nothing to him. Because the ras come like him sister, the boy, he might come out of the car with the man to kill me. No, tell me something. If you block up the driveway, I may ask you if you just move your car. Let's we can pass. Tell me something. Is it right for you come out of your car with your hand and say you're going to fold you up and... Eh? The people, what is wrong with us? Eh? Cut it, man.
Thank you for watching.